Alright, Ethan. Sometimes the hardest things are really easy. So I'm going to do this the easiest way. And this is just like a couple of hours worth of trying to figure this out. But I figured it out, so here we go. We're going to first just make sure that our UCS is set to the top of these circles. So I'm going to go to the Home tab, click on the UCS tool, select Face, and then just click on one of these faces. Accept. Now I'm going to draw these two circles. I don't know if they're identical in size or what, but I'm just going to draw the circles. So we got to do this. First of all, let me create a new layer. Alright, let me close this thingy. Where are you? There we go. So I'm going to draw two circles. Let me find the center of this. Then I'm going to click to this quadrant here. Oh, I forgot to change my layer. That's alright, I'll change it later. Circle again. Right click. Center. Oh, that's not the right center. Alright, there's two circles there. And I'm going to move this away so I can work with this. So I'm just going to I'm actually going to go to the Home tab and click on the World UCS. That way when I want to move them back, I know which direction to move it. So I'm going to click on these, grab this green arrow, move it over 500. And now I'm going to go to the layer, change it to my layer, then do layer, move these two circles to my layer there. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is draw another circle, and I need to go back to this plane. So I'm going to go to the UCS tool, click on face down here, select this face again. Accept. And I'm going to draw a circle at the end point of one of these lines up here. Now the size is how pointy you want it. So if you want it like perfectly pointy, you could do like a 0.1 circle. I'm going to do one that's 1 unit. So that's going to be pointy enough. 1, enter. Now I can basically hide this original layer. And what I need to do is just join these two circles with two lines. First of all, I want to cut them apart. So I'm going to draw two lines. One here. And I'm going to draw another line across here. I'm going to trim using these two lines as my cutting lines here. I'm going to just erase the center parts. I'm done with these lines. Delete those. I need 2 more lines here to join the 2 half circles. My computer's running really slow. I got too much stuff open. So here's our outline. It just needs to be joined together. So here I have one solid polyline. And basically all I'm going to do is loft from this shape up to my point as a solid. So I'm going to go to surface, find the loft, and I want to make sure that I choose from the mode option a solid. And I'm going to just click in order the base and then the top. Press enter twice and just hover over it to make sure it's a solid. There you go. I'm going to go to the home tab and turn my layer back on. And then go back to the World UCS. Select these objects. Move it back 500. And hopefully that's what you were looking for. If not, hopefully you learned enough to figure it out.